right, it's a case that's been quite riveting. People have been gripped by this case, murder case. Jody Arias, she's been on the witness stand now in her murder trial for almost a month, as she is accused of stabbing, slashing, and shooting her ex-boyfriend, Travis Alexander. But it was during her 5th day of tough cross-examination that she actually broke down crying. It happened when prosecutor Juan Martinez went on the attack, demanding that she answer specific questions about how she killed Alexander, and that she look at pictures from the crime scene. Very gruesome pictures.
Ma'am, were you crying when you were shooting him?
I don't remember.
Were you crying when you were stabbing him?
I don't remember.
How about when you cut his throat? Were you crying then?
I don't know.
So take a look then. And you're the one that did this, right?
Yes.
And you're the same individual that lied about all this, right?
Yes.
So then take a look at it. According to your version of events, you would acknowledge that that stabbing was after the shooting, according to you, right?
Yes, I don't remember.
I'm not asking you if you remember, ma'am. I'm asking if you acknowledge that it would be you that did it, correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's bring in our legal guys here. Avery Freeman, a civil rights attorney and law professor, joining us from Cleveland. Good to see you.
Hi, Frederica.
And Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joining us from Washington. Good to see you as well. You both are just always on the go, traveling to so many cities. All right, so first, let's just put a big warning out there that we will be showing some pictures that were shown during testimony, very graphic of the crime scene, of the death of Mr. Alexander. So on the stand, Arias has no qualms about admitting that she did kill Alexander. No one's disputing that. But she says it was self-defense. And we heard her say, just in that clip, so many times that she doesn't remember. So, is the prosecution able to establish that there was premeditation? Or is she protecting herself by being able to say, I didn't remember? And so, might her attorneys be thinking about pleading insanity somewhere down the line? Or is it too late for that?
Well, I thought the week was about the worst cross-examination I've ever seen or read in over 30 years of litigation, except for the last day, where the prosecutor scored heavily, and now the jury has 3 days to think about and judge her credibility and whether or not her story meshes. Fred, we know people lie prior to going to trial. They try to cover themselves and protect themselves. Here she is at trial. She's trying to tell the jury, now I'm coming clean. The prosecutor built a history of lies from her. Why did she lie to the police? Why did she lie to detectives? She lied to protect herself. In his summation, he's going to say she lied to all those people and she lied to you during the trial. It's devastating when you go to summation with that information. But listen, that's right. Next week, the defense expert shrinks will come in and testify that the type of episode and the type of brutality that she endured from Travis and the physical and mental abuse she sustained from him led to this episode, and amnesia is part of it, and that's why she doesn't remember. Look, the jury instruction will be...
Hence the self-defense.
Yeah,
she's
self-defense.
She's denied the abuse.
She's not denied the abuse. She's pathetic on the stand. You can see the abuse, but the judge will also instruct the jury, you do not have to buy what the expert says. And I think that's where it's going to come down.
Okay, well, it is a fascinating case, and certainly a lot of people are just simply riveted by it.